if you go to the Google Play Store and download the app, the current version is version 4.0, and it was released just recently, March the 15th. That was just a week or so ago, guys. One thing I discovered with my phone is there was still no compass calibration feature in the app. Let's go ahead and turn on the bird. Okay, we should be connecting here shortly. It's connected. Open the Fairy app. We're going to be using just the mobile phone here. And we are connected. We got our FPV with its typical Wi-Fi lag, but very nice looking picture. Remember, that's an 8 megapixel camera on there. Let's go into the settings, guys. And there are calibration settings in this menu. However, on my phone, I'm only getting a feature to calibrate the accelerometer, and I'm not even sure if that's working, because right after you hit the button, it says calibration succeeded, but there was no lighting change, no indicator changes on the quad or nothing like that, guys. So what I found, guys, was if you go to the Simtoo.com website, Simtoo has a link to a different app on their website, guys. And this app apparently is just for calibration. You can see the app looks a little different. This is the Fairy app that's supposed to be used for calibration. What I found in my research is that depending on your mobile device and which version of Android you're running and what kind of chipset you have in your phone, a whole bunch of technical geeky stuff, guys, but some guys are getting the calibration feature in their in the app from the Google Play Store, and if you're finding that the calibration feature is still not available in your app, then I'll put a link in this video to show you where to get the calibration app, guys. Now, the calibration app calibrates the compass and the accelerometer. Trust me, it took me a lot of time and research to discover that, guys, but I do have it calibrated now, and we'll take it out to the field for a test flight. Okay, guys, I got the bird all calibrated. It's all set up and ready to go. To arm the motors, press that unlock button, wait 5 seconds, and the motors will start up. The bird takes off initially in optical flow mode. We have a little breeze out here today, so she's not holding her position very well. You can see here on the screen recorder, I got 12 satellites, so we are connected. Let's fly it around a little bit. Won't take it out too far. She's very docile in this mode here. She's flying back on her own already. I got no control over this bird, and she's going on the damn roof. What are you doing? The second she loses connection to the app, she will do an auto landing or an auto crashing. Let's move the tablet up out from under the pavilion, guys. What I'm having here, guys, is a hard time Okay, the remote controller's on already. Press and hold the start button until she goes into a rapid blue light flash. Okay, she's connected. Let's open the Fairy app again. We're using a remote controller. We have our FPV again. More than likely I lost that first video. Let's start the video again. Press the unlock button. 5 seconds. Got nothing. Okay, if that ever occurs, guys, according to the manual, you press and hold the land button. You heard that beep? That was about 3 seconds, and that resets everything. So now we press the auto. It's not auto takeoff, it's the arm button. Nothing happened. Press and hold that land button. Let's make sure we still got power. Yep, the blue light's on. I am connected to the app. Press the unlock button. 5 seconds, the motor should arm. Press and hold that button for about 3 seconds. Press the unlock button. 5 seconds, the motor should arm. And I'm not getting anything, guys, so let's try a shutdown again. Turn the controller on first. Press and hold the power button on the drone. I can see the blue light. Let's open the Fairy app again. So that seems to be my problem, is none of my devices will stay connected to this bird. Connect to the app. We'll be using the remote controller. And here we have live FPV. I can see the wind blowing the grass. Let's press the unlock button. 5 seconds, the motor start. Let's push her up. Okay, now I am in GPS mode. You can see her leaning to the side a little bit, trying to hold her position or come back to the home position. I don't know what she's doing, but not too bad. Let me take it out just a few feet here, guys. I want to test some of my controls, make sure I got full control. That's a full left yaw, a full right yaw. By the way, in the app you can select from 3 different speed modes. Now I'm going to take it out to see at what point the app disconnects and what she does when she comes home. That's a beautiful video though. She stopped as if she hit a wall. I'll go back and watch the video to determine how far that was. Wasn't very far, guys. Let's see if I could cancel that return home. Yes, I was able to cancel it. So I got 14 satellites, guys. I'm pushing forward and the bird rolls up. I think she's in auto return again. Let's cancel that. Let's try to cancel that. Oh, hell. Come on, girl. Now she's stuck on the freaking roof. Now I'm going to give it a try with the phone app. In that last flight, I was using the tablet for FPV. We are connected to the Fairy's Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and open that app. Android phone. We'll be selecting remote controller. And now I'm getting a message, no SD card inserted, but I do have a SD card in there. Let's confirm that that Wi-Fi is live. It's a live feed. Let's go ahead, unlock the motors. And I got one motor not turning. That motor seems to have seized up. She did land on the roof of the pavilion here, guys. That's only about 15 feet high. And she fell in the grass. A couple of arms popped loose, but now I got a dead motor. Let's press this land button. Hold till you hear the beep. That should reset everything. Now press the arm button and wait 5 seconds. Okay, I got all 4 motors running here now. Let's give her another try. I really want this bird to be a success. It's a pretty sweet concept. It's one of the smallest, and there she goes rising again. I barely went 30 feet. Stay away from that roof. She's didn't return to home. I should have canceled that on that flight that crashed. I didn't act quick enough. She's got real long flight time, so you should be able to just pick up this bird and the transmitter with your smart device, bring it out to the field or the park and have a good time with it. There she goes into return to home again. You can see she's flying backwards or she's flying sideways. I'm going to cancel that return to home. I canceled that return to home. There she goes on the roof again. Guys, I have no idea what the hell's going on with this bird. Okay, guys. Before I totally give up on her, I'm going to try flying it with just a remote controller. Won't be any app connection. Remote controller in the drone. No phone, no tablet, no Wi-Fi, no video. Let's just see if that makes a difference. Now one reason why I'm doing this last test here, guys, the first one I reviewed was a complete failure. I gave that drone to my buddy Eric. Eric never downloaded the app. He doesn't even use this phone. He uses it with just the remote controller and reported back to me that the bird flies fine. She does seem to be a lot faster, but oh no, she's going into auto something again. I'm not sure what she's doing. Let's see if I can cancel that before she goes on the roof again. I was able to take it out of auto return. It's not losing connection with the app because I'm not even using the app. She keeps returning to home. I can't even call that 30 meters, maybe 30 meters or so. Watch it when it lifts up. Okay, she hit the wall. Maybe I need to go in the app and search for a beginner mode or something like that. Come on, girl. Oh, hell no. Come on, slide all the way down for me. Break it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done, son.